Okay, I'm going to show you a couple little tips about Midjourney here. We're going to go ahead and select right here, and it's going to open us up into a room. We can be in any room we want. And then you'll see the word Midjourney bot, the green one here. We can click this one here, and you can type a message right here at the bottom. You notice up on the left there's nothing up here. Take a look where my cursor's at. Nothing up here. We'll just type in, okay, we'll just type in hi for right now. Alright, my Midjourney bot is over here, and this will always stay here until I close this out. This will allow me to have kind of like my personal room with all my prompts without having to be in a room with a bunch of people. So once you get here, I did a couple tests right here, so we'll just kind of ignore this here. Close DM here. Alright, so I'm going to do this again, so you go here just in case you didn't see that. Select a bot right here, and we'll type hi. Okay, as you can see right here. So I'm going to show you something that's kind of cool, and I'm going to show you a couple things, so pay attention. One of the things I see people doing is they type in /, then you got to type imagine, and then they start doing this. I am, and they click it, then you're in the prompt. You really don't need to do all that. All you got to do, as long as it's on the top of the list, we'll click once in here, /. The prompt is to the top already. Okay, I'm in the box. I haven't clicked out. I press enter once, and then I'm into my prompt. So that's all I have to do is type the /. We're going to go ahead and delete that out of there. I want to go into my settings, so I'll type in /. Okay, we don't want to do the prompt. I want to go into my settings, /S. Okay, settings is to the top. So basically all I have to do is just press enter. I ain't got to go through the whole thing. And you might have to click it again, and then it's going to be in your settings. Now these settings are automatically stuck in your browser until you change them. So once you use them once, they're always going to be there until you change them back. You've probably seen a deal where it says, hey, you can't use this prompt because you're in test P mode, test whatever mode. It's usually trying to tell you to switch these here, and it'll let you know. So if you get that error, see it says test right here, it says, hey, this prompt's not used this, you might have to switch. Okay, we're going to go to this one here, okay, and this will always be in my settings. Okay, we can dismiss this or hide this. Alright, now I'm using, I'm going to show you another cool little trick here. I'm on Windows 11, okay, and I got this Microsoft Edge down here. I am going through my browser, and I'm going to show you a few things. So we're using Windows 11 with Microsoft Edge, okay, and it has this. So if I was to type in / then just press enter, I'm to my prompt. Now if we right click this, we can go voice typing right here, okay, and it's ready for voice typing. As you can see, I got one up here and it's trying to type as I go. So we're just going to go ahead and I'm not going to be able to talk when I do this, so we're just going to dismiss this right here. So basically how I'll do this, I'll just dismiss this, highlight all of them, Control A, and delete it. So I'm just going to read this to you, and then instead of V-Ray right here, let's do Unreal Engine, okay? So I'm basically going to read this out because I'm not going to be able to talk while I'm doing this because it'll take over. So basically I'm going to type in here, press enter. Now I'm going to right click, and once I do this, I'm going to start reading the top. We'll put Unreal Engine here. So I'll go here. Voice typing. A cute puppy with headphones on and sunglasses, comma, realistic, comma, Unreal Engine. As you can see here, I went ahead and shut that off. So basically it says the same thing, and you can go on for long words, okay, and it's easy for the people that just don't like to type or whatever. And when I press enter, we got some other cool stuff coming up, so I'll show you here in just a second. I'm going to go ahead and let this render out and pause the video for a second. Okay, we got something like this here. So basically what you can do is, this is what I came up with Unreal Engine. If we select here and click it to see right here, it's going to have this little icon here, visual search. Okay, we're going to click here, and this is going to open up Microsoft Edge. Okay, and you can see right here, it's got an option right here if you want to click something where you can crop images. Alright, then you can bring up just the sunglasses, and we'll remove crop. We'll do it again. I'll bring this, let's see if we can get this crop over here. We'll just crop over here. And it's trying to find everything with that dog's head inside the crop. So you can see it updated here. You got all kinds of little dogs with sunglasses on, which is kind of cool. Okay, we're going to remove crop here, and we're going to select here, and then you can select something else. Okay, when you get back here, you can just go ahead and click this again, and oh, we can close it up here. I'm sorry, I knew it was there somewhere. And then you can shut all this off right here. Then you get something like that, and once you're done, click over here. Let's say I want to try this with V-Ray. Okay, it recognizes the word, or like the word like a comma. I don't think it works very good if I was to do V-Ray with a slash, like V/Ray. So I'm going to reread this, and we're just going to put V-Ray at the end. Okay, sure, we can copy and paste, but maybe that's somewhere down the line that you want to have a long list of words right here that you just want to go crazy with. Just don't feel like typing them. So basically we'll just start all over. So we're going to go ahead and / enter, right click. A cute puppy with headphones on and sunglasses, comma, realistic. Okay, and I forgot to put the V-Ray. I forgot. Let me try that again. Blah. A cute puppy with headphones on and sunglasses, comma, realistic. What I did was hit the space bar. That's what I was meant to do. Then we're going to just do a comma, then V-Ray. Alright. And if we need to change anything else, we can switch back here. Let's try this one here. So we're going to go back here, / enter. A cute puppy with headphones on and sunglasses, comma, realistic, comma, photographic, comma, Unreal Engine, comma, HD. Okay, we hit the space bar to go ahead and cancel that out so it doesn't type anymore. As you can see, I think one of the words said, I keep bopping with the headphones on. Kind of, it's pretty accurate, but I just kind of like, I think the screen recorder's kind of lagging it up a little bit. Not exactly words I said, but it works pretty good. So let me just pause the video one more time and let this figure its way out, and I'll be right back. Okay, that is finished here. It came out pretty good. Then you can kind of like go over the ends right here and test the settings that you've been using. It says test P. Then you can see this one says test, and that test P, you was probably using this mode right here for one of these. This was test P on this one here. and it gives you a general idea how that works. You can check by the Unreal Engine versus the V-Ray. If you do not like this picture and you just for something just nothing that you want, you can actually right click this. Now there's going to be a red cross here. If you don't see it, more than likely they're always changing things up. You go to add reaction, you may still not see it. It's okay. So basically you'll just have to go to other reactions, and you probably won't see it here. So if you just type the word like cross, it's like C-R-O, and just select this icon here, then that's gonna, you know, put the cross up. And a lot of times this if you was to right click this and you don't still see the cross, you'll have to push add reaction. You have to do it one time, and once you press this cross, it should automatically stick back up here. This cross means that you want to delete this image, okay? And I used to have to, every time I restarted my browser, I would have to do this every time, but so far it's sticking up there and I kind of like that. So if you do not want this picture right here, there's just nothing that I like, just right click this, and we're going to remove it like and select here, and it's gone. Poof. It's no longer there. So anyway, that's a little tip here, and I think it's a pretty cool tip, and hope you enjoyed it. I think this one's pretty cool.